Hey there, my name is Lisa Mason Ziegler and welcome to the Gardener's Workshop Farm. And what I'm doing here is I am sowing some zinnia seeds and just picking them up, trying to pick them up and sticking it down, pushing it right down into the block. So you may be asked, why is she starting seeds now, right? Well, what I want to really share with you today is that the secret to having fresh flowers, herbs, and vegetables throughout the summer right up until frost is by starting seeds several different times throughout the season. And that's what I'm doing here today. I'm starting a few zinnias. I'm going to start some cucumbers and a few squash. And these will be planted out in my garden. And we're in June, and I will actually do this one more time in about a month, because zinnias take about 90 days to mature. Cucumbers and squash are quick. Oftentimes that 70 days you have that crop. So that's the real secret for doing this. Now, what I want to tell you about is if seed starting holds you back from really embracing this, starting several small groups of seeds throughout the season to give you that constant supply. If you're afraid of seed starting like I was, that we offer a seed starting course, an online course that I teach, and it's about 80 minutes long, and it teaches you everything from how to start seeds using soil blocking indoors, as well as how to start seeds outdoors in the garden. And so that will kind of liberate you from being, you really can't oftentimes practice succession planting because the stores or the nurseries don't have these plants available throughout the season. Now, what I really want to tell you about today is I have a special offer for you for my online courses. So normally the Seed Starting Made Easy is $19.95, and today, for the next actually 7 days, we're offering to you, when you buy the Seed Starting course for $19.95, we're also going to give you free the Easy Cut Flower Garden course, which is another course of about 90 minutes. Now, if you're a veggie person and you don't really understand why you're not really interested in having a cut flower garden, right? Well, you need to check out my book, Vegetables Love Flowers, because that explains why having a little cutting garden or a flower patch in your vegetable patch is essential to the health and organic status of your vegetable patch. So in that little second online course, I tell you how having a little 3x10 cutting garden, what to grow, how to set it up for low maintenance, and even more importantly, how to prepare the soil. You can apply many of the things taught in that course to any type of gardening you're doing, but I trust that you are going to love having a cutting garden. So the offer link is right below this video. If you just go straight to our website, it's going to be regular price there. You can only go through this link, and you're going to get both of those courses, which are normally $19.95, both of them for $19.95. So that is really, it's the first time we've ever made this offer. So it's really a great deal. So I hope you will check it out, because I think you're going to enjoy embracing succession planting and learning all about how spreading the work out spreads the harvest out and the enjoyment of your garden. So till we meet again, ciao.